Impulse front hub service. Tools needed for this service: a 2mm hex wrench, blind bearing puller, punch, hammer, bearing press with the correct drifts, assembly grease, and the correct bearing kit. This service should be completed with the rotor removed from the hub. Begin by loosening the preload ring pinch bolt. To remove the disc side end cap, turn the preload ring clockwise until the end cap can be removed by hand. Slide the axle out of the hub to the drive side. Unthread the preload ring from the axle. Now we can wipe the axle clean, paying particular attention to the threaded sections. These should be completely free of dirt and debris. Thoroughly wipe the preload ring, pinch bolt, and end cap clean as well. Inspect all parts for degradation. Using a blind bearing puller or a long pin drift, remove the bearings from the hub shell. Make sure both bearing bores are clean and apply a thin film of grease to each bore. Using the correct bearing drifts, press in the new 6903 bearings into the hub shell one at a time. Apply a light film of grease to the axle at the preload ring clamp surface and thread. Thread the preload ring onto the axle. Slide the clean, re-greased axle back into the shell and press on the disc side end cap. The fit between the axle and end cap is snug, and you may need to jostle it to align it during install. There should be side-to-side play between the axle assembly and the hub. This side-to-side play of the axle is eliminated after the wheel is installed and the preload is properly adjusted. A video tutorial for wheel install and preload setting can be found here.